Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Olymptrade app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go down here. You go here above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just click on settings here. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on platform. So then you come to this list, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to flash market protection, click in this sign or this color like you see here. So then you click here on garage, like you see color, it's gone, that's mean flash market protection disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.